What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're hitting triceps. Time to feed that monster, so save this one for later. Alright, so boom, we start with the tricep pull downs. These should be hard. This is the bulk of the workout, so pick a heavy weight. Next, we're going into the cable skull crushers. This is a superset, so pick a moderate weight for these. And then we're going straight into the overhead tricep extension. This is kind of a finisher, so it doesn't need to be too heavy. Alright, next we're going straight into the dumbbell overhead extensions. These are going to be heavy, so we're only doing 8 reps, 4 sets. Then we're finishing up with the close grip push-ups. Last but not least, enjoy the pump, guys.
Stop using machines in the gym like this. When using any machine in the gym, this is what you want to do. During the working part of the movement, you want to make sure you're explosive and you're getting the full range of motion, like this. Then on the way back down, you want to make sure you're controlling the weight, like this. This is going to lead to a better quality workout and a better mind-muscle connection. If you found this video useful, follow and share for more fitness tips.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
Want bigger arms? You need to work out your biceps, your triceps, and your forearms. Here are my favorite exercises for each of these muscle groups. For biceps, I like to do 3 sets of 12 of dumbbell curls. You guys can also do them separately if you're picking the heavier weights. Triceps are 2/3 of your arms and most important to train in order to get bigger arms. Do 3 sets of 12 of cable pushdown and make sure you guys are going with the same path as the cable. For example, when you guys are pushing it down, I don't want you to do this. Keep the elbow stationary, bring the lower arms down. As you guys can see, the cable is going downwards, not towards me. And lastly, my favorite exercise for forearms. You just put the bar over there, squat down, bring it up, roll down your wrist. I usually do 4 sets of 25 until your forearms are burning. I hope you can wash your face after these because you're not going to be able to pick up your own arms. Follow me for more advanced fitness tips.
If you eat less and move more, you'll lose weight. If you eat less, move more, and eat plenty of protein, you'll lose body fat. If you eat less, move more, eat plenty of protein, and strength train, you'll lose body fat and build muscle.